Hi everyone. In today's Power BI DAX tutorial, I will show you how to use the count function, quick way to count the number of numerical values in a column. Count function in a DAX returns the number of values in a column, but only for a numeric values. It ignores the text, blank cells, and non-numeric data. The syntax is very simple. Count of the column name. This is a table name and this is the column name. Let's say we have the orders table with a column called order ID. If we write total orders is equal to count of sales order ID, the Power BI will go through that column and count every numeric values. It will not count blanks or text values, so make sure the column contains the numbers. You use count, okay, when you want to count total orders, count numerical transaction IDs, count quantity entries in a table. Okay, if your column has text values and you still want to count them, use count A instead. Okay, and there are key notes that you have to note. Okay, count only works on numeric columns. Blanks are ignored. Use count A for all non-empty values and count rows to count table rows. And here you can see the total number of count is 8. And in the Power BI, after creating the measure, it is showing 8. And that's how you use the count function in Power BI DAX. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more quick Power BI tips.